Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned enthusiast, this comprehensive guide will help you understand what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and its transformative impact on the financial world. We'll explore the history, key features, and applications of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. So, if you're curious about the future of money and digital assets, stay tuned. What is cryptocurrency? By now, nearly everyone has heard of cryptocurrency. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to ensure the security of financial transactions and confirm the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional physical money, cryptocurrencies exist only in digital form and are created and stored electronically. This digital nature allows them to be used for various purposes, including buying goods and services online, investing in them as a form of digital asset, or even sending money across the globe without the need for traditional banks or intermediaries. Key features of cryptocurrencies. The distinguishing feature of cryptocurrencies is their independence from any central authority, such as a bank or government. Instead, they rely on a system known as blockchain, a type of digital ledger that records all transactions. Blockchain technology ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and difficult to alter. The most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin (BTC), was launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's invention paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with unique characteristics and uses. Applications of cryptocurrencies. Beyond traditional financial transactions, cryptocurrencies have a variety of other applications. One notable concept is that of smart contracts. Smart contracts are agreements written in code that automatically execute their terms. They facilitate transactions and uphold agreements without intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Cryptocurrencies also have the potential to ease international trade, provide financial services to the unbanked, and create new fundraising methods such as initial coin offerings, ICOs, and security token offerings, STOs. ICOs offer utility tokens, while STOs provide tokens backed by real-world assets or securities. History of cryptocurrencies. The idea of cryptocurrencies dates back to the 1980s, but it wasn't until the 1990s that software and cryptographic protocols began to emerge, laying the groundwork for decentralized digital currencies. In 2008, a person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper outlining a system for a digital currency that didn't rely on third-party trust. This was the beginning of the cryptocurrency revolution. In 2009, Bitcoin, the first virtual coin, was launched. Bitcoin quickly became a popular solution for people looking to send money without the influence of banks or authorities. Its rapid growth caught the attention of many, although users initially struggled with how to utilize their digital holdings. Following Bitcoin's emergence, several other cryptocurrencies were launched, including Litecoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Monero, and Shiba Inu. Today, new coins continue to be introduced at a rapid pace, making cryptocurrency a significant and evolving trend in the financial market. Cryptocurrencies have truly transformed the way we think about money and financial transactions. They offer a glimpse into a future where digital assets play a crucial role in the global economy, providing innovative solutions for various financial challenges. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and its incredible potential to revolutionize the financial world. Whether you're interested in using cryptocurrencies for transactions, exploring smart contracts, or understanding the history and evolution of digital currencies, there's no denying that crypto is here to stay. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth crypto content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.